In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all purchase orders on QuickBooks. Whether you're a small business owner trying to manage your inventory or an accountant keeping track of your client's spending, knowing how to access this information is crucial. So let's dive right in and make this simple process even easier for you. To begin, once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your QuickBooks online dashboard. This is your central hub where all the information you need is just a few clicks away. From here, we need to navigate to the Reports section. This is a really vital area in QuickBooks, as it's where all of QuickBooks' powerful data displays come into play, helping you access and analyze important financial data. Now locate the Reports menu, which you'll typically find on the left sidebar of your screen. Clicking on this will take you to a new page, which is essentially your gateway to a range of reports. You'll notice a search bar at the top of the page, making it easy to quickly find the specific report you need. In this case, in this search bar, you'll want to type in Open Purchase Order List. QuickBooks is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, so you might notice it starts suggesting options as you type. This feature can save you a little time, as you may see the correct option pop up before you're even done typing. Once you've entered Open Purchase Order List, click on the suggested option to proceed. This action will lead you to the list where all your purchase orders are displayed. This list is a comprehensive view of your active purchase orders, allowing you to see all of them in one convenient location. It's designed to be straightforward and easy to navigate, so you can easily sort or filter the data to better match your needs, whether you're looking for specific dates, vendors, or other criteria. And there you have it, a complete and efficient way to view all of your purchase orders in QuickBooks Online. This method should help you effectively manage and review your purchase orders, ensuring you maintain a clear and organized record of all transactions. Remember, staying on top of your purchase orders is key to efficient financial management and organizational transparency. It not only helps you in your day-to-day operations, but also keeps your books in good order for any future audits or reviews. Keep practicing this process, and soon enough, accessing your purchase orders will become a seamless part of your workflow. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful QuickBooks tips. Happy bookkeeping!